So let's talk about temperature as a process variable. Okay. So before we talk about temperature measuring instruments, it is nice we come to appreciate to understand some of the units of measurement for temperature as a variable. Okay. So temperature is measured in different units actually. So the SI unit for measuring temperature is Kelvin. Okay, degree Kelvin. Then we can measure temperature in degrees Celsius, measured in degree Fahrenheit. We can measure temperature in Rankine. Okay, so all these are different units for measuring temperature. Okay, so why it's important that we know these units, so that when we see an instrument in process plant, we can easily tell what variable that instrument is measuring. And then, of course, when we are given units for measurement of this instrument, we can actually use the actual units of measurement. Because if I say 20, one would ask if I'm referring to 20 degrees Celsius or 20 degrees angle or thereabout. So that's why it is good that we actually know the SI unit for measuring these instruments. So let's talk about some of the instruments now for measuring these temperature. Okay, I'd like to talk about three major instruments. Okay, we have the thermometer, which is what we use every time. Okay, even in the hospitals we use the thermometer for measuring temperature, and we have the RTD. Okay, so this is as a formula of RTD. So for RTD, as the resistance increases, the temperature increases. As the resistance decreases, the temperature decreases. Okay, so there is this RTD which is commonly used in the process plant, and the RTD, that RTD is called the PT100. Okay, the PT100. So this is one of the commonest RTDs used in the process plant. The PT here is platinum because many times this RTD is made of platinum. Okay, and it's called a PT100 because at 0 degrees Celsius, the resistance of this particular RTD, the resistance is 100 ohms at 0 degrees Celsius. So it's 100 ohms. So that is why it is popularly called a PT100. Okay, so another temperature measurement instrument is the thermocouple. So that is one other popular temperature measurement instrument with a temperature gauge, with a temperature transmitter. So these are all instruments used in process plants for measuring temperature. So we'll talk about another process variable in the subsequent video. We'll talk about pressure, talk about level, talk about flow. See you.